flying eel. There he is, there he is. He's so fast you didn't even see him.
No. Okay, that's it. If he's coming out now, he's coming out now. I'm not doing this again.
What? Now I can't see him.
Yeah, well, that's why you should get your feet over there. He's in the clouds.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, wow. Okay, maybe they just need to...
I think they like the rocks.
Yeah, he's trying to get over the rock. One more throw?
No, no, no. He's not gonna. He wants his rock.
Vi kan have a rock here. Eller smakte vi den knoten?
What the?
He's also...
Why is he doing that?
I feel bad.
Because you took him out of his rock?
Yeah. So we'll just leave it?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, not my feet.
Wait, maybe I'll find the rock to put in front of him so
I got a video of that Knoten. Yep.
There's him. Okay, here it comes. Good.